Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and act like humans. Learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language comprehension are all examples of cognitive abilities. Also, artificial intelligence is the science of making machines that can think like humans. It can do things that are considered smart. AI technology can process large amounts of data in ways unlike humans. The goal for AI is to be able to do things such as recognize patterns, make decisions, and judge like humans. AI is currently one of the hottest buzzwords in tech, and with good reason. The last few years have seen several innovations and advancements that have previously been solely in the realm of science fiction slowly transform into reality. With the rise of Alexa and Siri, what should we expect? Hello and thanks for tuning in. Before we go any further, please take a moment to support us by liking this video. Subscribe and activate the bell notification feature so you'd always know when we put out new videos. And remember, sharing is caring. Okay, let's get back to it. Alexa and Siri, Amazon and Apple's digital voice assistants, are much more than a convenient tool. They are very real applications of artificial intelligence that is increasingly integral to our daily life. The launch of the first iPhone in 2007 inspired the team to accelerate their work and make the technology universally available, and in February 2010, Siri launched as an app in the Apple Store. The name was suggested by the Norwegian Dag Kitlas, in whose native language Siri means beautiful woman who guides you to victory. Siri was initially released on October 14, 2011. Therefore, as of 2023, Siri would be 12 years old. The popularly known Susan Alice Bennett, née Cameron, born July 31, 1949, who is an American voice actress and a former backup singer for Roy Orbison and Burt Bacharach. She is best known as female American voice of Apple's Siri personal assistant, since the service was introduced on the iPhone 4S on October 4, 2011. Apple gears up for the highly anticipated Worldwide Developers Conference in 2024. The Tekash community is buzzing with excitement over the expected launch of a new and improved Siri. Apple is reportedly incorporating generative AI into Siri, utilizing its advanced Ajax-based model. This move aligns with earlier mentions by Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, dating back to July. The focus is on enhancing natural conversation capabilities and providing a more personalized user experience. As Apple continues to invest heavily in AI research and development, the impact on the voice assistant landscape could be significant. Currently, companies like Google and Amazon dominate the market with their AI-powered voice assistants, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa. However, with Apple's focus on improving Siri's capabilities through AI advancements, the competition could become more fierce. One of the key areas where Apple's investments in AI can make a difference is in the overall user experience. Siri has long been criticized for its limited capabilities and lack of contextual understanding. However, with advancements in natural language processing and machine learning, Siri could become more intuitive and conversational. One of the most shocking innovations is the Apple Siri being an AI. Siri is an easy way to make calls, send texts, use apps, and get things done with just your voice. And Siri is the most private, intelligent assistant. Siri consists of three main components: a conversational interface, personal context awareness, and service delegation. The conversational interface is based on natural language processing (NLP), a branch of AI. Language data statistical analysis and machine learning power the personal context awareness portion of Siri. Siri can predict your intention from keywords that you use and your general habits and use of language. The service delegation system gives Siri unlimited access to all of the built-in apps on your device and their inner workings. This enables Siri to perform task-specific commands. The conversational interface is the part of Siri that's able to interpret voice input from the user and generate understandable voice output from the application. This component is based on natural language processing (NLP), a branch of AI that develops systems capable of understanding and responding to humans' direct communication. Apple's Smart Assistant launched over a decade ago and has evolved tremendously during that time. Siri can sound natural, respond to queries conversationally, remember previous conversations, and control aspects of your life, all while remaining private and secure. The new version of Siri is expected to offer seamless conversation continuity across Apple devices. Imagine starting a conversation on your iPhone and effortlessly transitioning to your Mac or iPad without missing a beat. This is a game changer for users who rely on multiple Apple devices in their daily lives. The neural networks and algorithms used by Siri work both on-device and in the cloud to provide information to the user. However, the Smart Assistant is still highly reliant on cloud computing and can't do much when used offline. Apple is working on its own large language models and artificial intelligence-like systems. However, it isn't clear what forms these will take and if or when they will be used with Siri. The company is taking generative AI and large language models seriously. One report suggests Apple spends millions of dollars a day on research into the technology for upgrading Siri. All signs point to iOS 18 for significant updates with an AI focus and upgraded Siri, though it isn't clear how such updates. Apple discontinued the original HomePod in 2021 without a replacement device at the ready. Some feared that Apple would step away from the smart assistant race and abandon the smart speaker market altogether. However, Apple introduced a new large HomePod in January 2023. Even as other companies like Amazon are toning down their commitment to smart assistants, Apple is doubling down with new hardware. Besides the general improvements to voice recognition and processing, Apple hasn't introduced many new features to its smart assistant since iOS 14. Offline commands work better with iOS 15, and iOS 16 improved shortcuts actions. This upgrade, powered by the latest advancements in generative AI, promises to redefine our interaction with Apple's iconic voice-activated virtual assistant. Siri relies on natural language generation, natural language processing, and machine learning in order to effectively operate and improve its performance over time. All of these are forms of artificial intelligence, but strictly speaking, Siri is a system that uses artificial intelligence rather than being pure AI in itself. Apple's integration of this technology into Siri marks a significant leap forward, not just matching its competitors, but also transforming the user experience with Siri. One of the most significant enhancements in the upcoming Siri upgrade is its conversational abilities. The integration of AI is expected to make Siri's responses more contextually aware and fluid. This leap forward is aimed at closing the gap between virtual assistants and genuine human conversation. Now, Apple's plan for Siri extends beyond just smarter conversation. They suggest a deep integration with third-party apps, allowing Siri to comprehend and respond to a broader range of user queries. However, with the tech community keenly looking forward to the WWDC 2024, Apple's venture into equipping Siri with generative AI capabilities is a bold step into the future of virtual assistants, promising a blend of enhanced utility, personalization, and privacy. So as we approach WWDC 2024, the tech world is on the edge of its seat, waiting to witness the transformation of Siri into a more intelligent, versatile, and personalized assistant. With its focus on conversational abilities, deep app integration, and privacy, Apple is poised to redefine the role of virtual assistants in our digital lives. Other companies can learn that while AI is a powerful tool, it should never be the point. AI is a means to an end, not an end in itself. The focus should be on enhancing the user experience, not on the technology. They can also learn that different use cases might require different approaches to AI, and it's not always necessary to use the latest trending technology. This now concludes that Apple's silent approach to AI is a reflection of its focus on user experience over technology. While Apple has made significant strides in AI, it chooses not to make a spectacle of it. Instead, it integrates AI seamlessly into its products, letting the improved user experience do the talking. This philosophy is a lesson for other companies in the tech industry, reminding them that technology should always serve people, not the other way around. And that concludes today's video. You let us know what you think about today's discussion in the comments section below. And you can support this channel by liking this video. Subscribe and activate the bell notification feature so you'd always know when we put out new content. And remember, sharing is caring. Take care and see you in the next video.